Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher of Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to deliver my second lecture for class 5 and for chapter 3rd, that is bones and muscles. In my previous lecture, I have taught you about different structures made up of bones in our body, that is a skeleton, rib cage, a skull, backbone, and with the help of these structure we perform different types of life activities. Today I will discuss further about this. Function of a skeleton. Due to a skeleton we perform different types of life activities in our body. A skeleton protect our delicate soft organs in our body as lungs, heart, eye, brain. So many soft and delicate organs are protected by hard covering of bones, which is a skeleton. With the help of a skeleton, that is limbs, arms, we move in different places and do our different life activities. Under the bone marrow is found, and which bone marrow produce red blood cells in our body, which is useful for our body. Means bone marrow make blood cells for our body. So these are a skeleton also provide fixed shape to our body. In absence of a skeleton, in absence of framework of bones, our body have no any skeleton system, and with the help of a skeleton and muscles our body do different types of movement. Now in our skeleton not only one bone is found, there are so many bones are found in our skeleton. I have told in my previous lecture that there are 206 bones are found in our skeleton. So these are not a single bone. There are so many bones, and these bones are mixed to each other. These bones are joined to each other, and after joining they perform different types of activities as movement and so many. So where two or more bones are joined, that point of our body is called joints. Where two or more bones are joined in our body, that point of our body is called as joint. So according to nature of joints are classified into our body. Two types of joints are found, that is movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints and immovable joints. Immovable joints are those types of joints where bones do not move. Where bones do not move, that joint is called as immovable joint. That is also called as fixed joint. Immovable joints is also called as fixed joint, as bone of our skull. In our skull not a single bone is found. There are so many bones are found, but these bones are attached to each other and they do not move. So these joints are called as immovable joints or fixed joint in our body. But in second hand, there are so many bones which move. Those are called as movable joints, and movable joints are also classified into four groups. That those are ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. So ball and socket joints of hip and shoulder. Joints of hip and shoulder is called as ball and socket joint, whereas joints of elbow and knee is called as hinge joint, whereas the joints of our neck is called as pivot joint, and the joint of our wrist is called as gliding joints. So these are some joints. These joints not moves similarly. These moves by different methods. So they, according to their movement, these joints are classified into these four groups. Also, some structures of bones are found between the joints, that is called ligament. Ligament is found between the joints of bone, and on the place of joint these ligament capture the bones and fix on the place of joint. So ligament is also a structure of bones which is found on the place of joint and capture both bones on the place of joints. So these are all about joints and their types and their examples, their classification. In my next lecture, I will discuss about muscles, their types and their function. For today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.